Here we are, AT Quest Phase 2. Cricket here. I'm gonna start off this last 700 miles with a little 8-mile day hike. Just, because 700's not enough. I'm here with my co-hiker, Nance.
Me.
No trail name yet.
No trail name.
And Scott,
Maybe Old Yeller.
our resource person who got us here to Southern Virginia so we can begin this journey. And we're gonna hike McAfee Knob this afternoon, get some good photos, and we'll catch up with you later. I made it 6 months later. Gorgeous weather compared to the last time I was here. The famous McAfee Knob. So what you want to do is you want to climb out on this ledge here, get your picture taken. That's what everybody does. Right there. Beautiful view. And it's pretty windy up here today, so we're holding on to things to make sure we don't go over the edge.